Every day, Japanese families cook full meals, rice steaming, fish grilling, soups simmering, vegetables chopping. Yet their kitchens somehow remain spotless. No grease splatter on the walls, no piles of dishes, no lingering smell of last night's dinner. So, how do Japanese kitchens stay clean even with constant, daily cooking? Today, you're about to learn the real habits, the small routines, and the cultural mindset that keep Japanese kitchens fresh, organized, and effortlessly beautiful, without spending hours cleaning. If you've ever looked at a Japanese kitchen and thought, how does everything look this clean? You're not imagining it. Japan has mastered the art of clean-as-you-go living. Not because their kitchens are large. In fact, most are extremely small. Not because they avoid cooking. Japanese meals use many ingredients and produce multiple pans, bowls, and utensils. And definitely not because they have more time. Almost the opposite. Life in Japan runs fast, structured, and intentional. The real secret is a combination of design, habit, and micro-cleaning routines that keep mess from ever piling up. And once you understand these everyday systems, your kitchen at home can start feeling lighter, cleaner, and easier to manage, even if you cook multiple times per day. So let's go step by step, from the moment Japanese people enter the kitchen, all the way to the moment they leave it spotless again. Before a single ingredient touches a cutting board, Japanese kitchens follow one principle. A clean start makes a clean finish. Japanese home cooks rarely begin cooking in a messy environment. Why? Because they understand that a messy kitchen multiplies the mess. A dirty counter makes you avoid chopping there. A full sink encourages you to stack more dishes. A sticky stove makes you ignore splatters. So the very first step in a Japanese kitchen is a reset. The counter is cleared. The sink is emptied. The stove surface is wiped. The trash bin is ready. Tools are placed where they belong. This isn't deep cleaning. It's a 1-minute reset that creates mental clarity before cooking begins. Imagine entering your kitchen tomorrow morning and seeing everything clear and ready. Your motivation changes instantly. You move differently. You cook differently. A Japanese kitchen is never waiting to be cleaned. It's always prepared. Japanese home kitchens practice a ritual called shitazukuri, small prep steps done before cooking, not during it. This includes pre-washing vegetables, pre-measuring sauces, pre-cutting aromatics like garlic, ginger, green onions, setting aside the tools you'll use, removing unnecessary packaging immediately. But here's the subtle genius. Every preparation step reduces future mess. For example, when you pre-wash vegetables, you avoid rinsing mid-cooking and splashing water everywhere. When you pre-measure soy sauce or miso, you avoid spills on counters and sticky bottle rings. When you peel everything at once, you avoid carrying trash back and forth. This micro-prep means that by the time cooking really starts, the kitchen is already organized, and there's almost nothing happening that creates unexpected chaos. Cooking becomes a smooth motion, not a scattered storm. Japanese kitchens maintain cleanliness not because people are constantly cleaning, but because everything has a place to go immediately. That's where the mini trash station comes in. Almost every Japanese kitchen has a small trash container placed directly on the counter. Not a big bin on the floor. Not a trash bag in the corner. A tiny, reachable container for quick waste. This is for onion skins, tea bags, packaging, used paper towels, trimmed vegetables, eggshells. Because the trash is right there, waste never spreads. It never piles. It never sits on the counter for later. This is a huge difference from Western kitchens where trash is far away, leaving peels on the cutting board, stacking rubbish near the sink, letting small waste sit. In Japan, the waste goes straight from your hand into the mini bin, empty into the main bin later. It's simple but unbelievably effective. One of the biggest reasons Japanese kitchens feel clean all the time is this system. One cloth for the counter. One cloth for the stove. Nothing else. No more, where is the clean cloth? No more, this one looks too dirty to use. No more, ugh, I'll clean it later. The counter cloth stays folded neatly near the sink. Always damp, always ready. The stove cloth stays nearby too, but used only for oil, splatters, and cooking residues. This separation ensures the counter stays hygienic. The stove isn't wiping oil onto other surfaces. Cleaning takes literally 5 seconds. Imagine after frying something, a tiny flick of oil escapes the pan. In many kitchens, this becomes a stain left until evening. In a Japanese kitchen, it's gone instantly with a quick wipe from the stove cloth. This maintains a perpetually clean appearance, even during heavy cooking. In Japanese cooking culture, cleaning isn't what you do after you finish cooking. It's what you do during the process. For example, while water boils, wipe the counter. While rice cooks, wash a few utensils. While soup simmers, clean the cutting board. While waiting for the pan to heat, put ingredients away. These micro moments add up to a cleaner environment that never feels overwhelming. A Japanese home cook rarely ends up with a mountain of dirty dishes because the routine naturally breaks the mess into small, easy actions. It also reduces the need for big cleaning sessions, which are tiring and easy to procrastinate. Instead, the kitchen stays clean as part of cooking itself. Here's something most people miss. Japanese cutting boards are not placed directly on the counter. They're placed on a damp cloth, on a rubber mat, sometimes on a board stand. Why? Because this absorbs drips, juices, water, chopping vibrations. Instead of the counter becoming wet and messy, everything stays contained. After chopping, the board is easily lifted, wiped, rinsed, and put away. The counter underneath is still clean. This is one of those tiny habits that feels small but makes a massive difference. Japanese kitchens are famously small, but the real magic is not that they're small, it's how intentionally they're designed. Most kitchens only contain tools that are used daily, easy to clean, easy to store, multifunctional. Think, one sharp knife, not 10. One good pan, not 6. One cutting board. Basic bowls that stack neatly. A pot that works for noodles, soups, and boiling vegetables. Fewer tools create fewer mess points. Fewer items mean less to clean. Less clutter equals more calm. If you've ever felt overwhelmed in your kitchen, it's often because too many items compete for space. Japanese kitchens breathe. They feel lighter, cleaner, more intentional. And because everything has a dedicated place, people naturally put things back instantly. One of the most powerful habits in Japanese kitchens is extremely simple. Never let food dry on dishes. The moment a pan is used, it's rinsed. Not washed fully, just rinsed. The moment a bowl is emptied, it's rinsed. Not scrubbed, just rinsed. Why does this work? Because dried oil becomes sticky, dried sauces become stubborn, dried grains turn into cement. But freshly rinsed dishes are effortless to clean. This 5-second habit transforms the entire dishwashing process. Suddenly, washing dishes isn't work. It's a rhythm, light, smooth, and easy. If you look at a Japanese sink, you'll notice something unusual. Everything is minimal and strategic. Most sinks contain a sponge, a net scrubber, dish soap, a drain basket that catches food, sometimes a tiny brush for chopsticks and bottles. That's it. There are no random items near the sink. No pile of dirty sponges. No old bottles. No unnecessary clutter. This makes the sink easy to wipe, easy to rinse, always ready for immediate use. A clean sink removes 70% of the kitchen's messy look, and Japanese homes prioritize this area more than anywhere else. One of the most important Japanese habits is this. The stove is cleaned immediately after every cooking session. Not deep cleaned, not scrubbed intensely, just wiped. Every single time. Because when oil is fresh, it wipes off instantly. But if it sits, it becomes sticky, hard, and attracts dust. Most Japanese stoves stay clean not because people work harder, but because they never allow grease to accumulate in the first place. A clean stove also prevents bad smells, pests, and smoke. This is something many other countries ignore completely. Japanese households regularly clean the range hood filter. Why? Because it catches grease. It absorbs odors. It prevents smoke buildup. It keeps airflow strong. A dirty vent hood can make your entire kitchen smell bad. Japanese homes know this, so filters are washed or replaced frequently. It's one of the biggest reasons Japanese kitchens smell fresh even after frying or grilling. After the meal is cooked, eaten, and enjoyed, Japanese kitchens end with a final reset. This includes washing the last dishes, wiping the counter, wiping the stove, rinsing the sink, emptying the drain basket, taking out trash if needed. Everything returns to zero. This final reset means the next time you step into the kitchen, you begin with a clean slate, not yesterday's mess. It reduces stress, increases motivation, and makes cooking feel enjoyable again. Japanese cleanliness has roots deeper than habits. It's a cultural value. It's connected to respect for the home, consideration for others, preventing trouble, maintaining harmony, caring for your tools, appreciating food. A dirty kitchen is seen not just as a mess, but as a disruption of balance. This mindset shapes everyday actions. Wiping surfaces feels natural. Putting things away is automatic. Cleaning is part of living, not a separate chore. Once you adopt this mindset, everything becomes easier. Cleaning becomes lighter. Maintaining becomes effortless. Here are the easiest habits you can copy immediately. Create a mini trash station. Place 2 cloths near your stove and sink. Rinse dishes instantly. Wipe your stove after every meal. Pre-prep ingredients. Do a 5-minute reset every night. Minimize tools. Keep your sink simple. Clean while you cook. These small routines transform your kitchen, not by adding more cleaning, but by removing the chance for mess to grow. Your kitchen starts to feel peaceful, fresh, light, and clean, even on the busiest days. If you found these Japanese kitchen habits inspiring, there's only one thing left to do. Try at least one of them today. Just one. You'll feel the difference immediately. And if you want more practical Japanese-style home habits that actually make your life easier, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I share new ideas every week. Until then, keep your home light, calm, and organized. And I'll see you in the next one.